ஹலோ நண்பா. இந்த வீடியோவில் லாஸ்ட் வீக்கான கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸை நாம் பார்க்க போகிறோம். 14th November Sunday, which state government has launched a road safety initiative called Raksha, Odisha? Which country has recently joined International Solar Alliance, United States of America? Who has been appointed as the Chief of Naval Staff recently? R. Hari Kumar. Where has the Short Film Festival started for legal awareness? At Raipur. Who has been appointed as the CEO of Standard Chartered Securities? Rajiv Srivastava. Extra from GK. Who has been the richest self-made woman in India? Falguni Nayar. 15th November. Who has been appointed as the new Secretary General of Rajya Sabha? PC Modi. Who has inaugurated the Uttarakhand Tribal Festival? Arjun Munda. Who will host the Yogasana Championship for the year 2022? India. Who has written the book Sunrise over Ayodhya? Salman Khurshid. According to whose report, over 240 million children with disabilities globally? UNICEF. Extra question from GK. Where has Union Health Minister recently inaugurated 32nd Hunar Haat? Lucknow. 16th November, Tuesday. Which ministry has launched Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav app? Ministry of Culture. Who has appointed as an independent director of HUL board? Ashish Vyas. Who has written a new book, Unshackling India? Ajay Chibar and Salman Anizos. Who has been appointed as the Director General of NCB? SN Pradhan. Which space agency has recently launched a 3-crew mission led by Indian origin astronaut Rajachari? It's NASA and SpaceX. Extra question of the day. Which state has recently won 3 awards in the tourism category? Uttarakhand. 17th November, Wednesday. Which state's cabinet has adopted the Paquet Declaration on Climate Change? Arunachal Pradesh. Who has inaugurated the 40th Indian International Trade Fair in Delhi? Piyush Goyal. Who has launched Tele-Law mobile app for citizens? Kiran Rijiju. Recently, in which state Vivek Sagar Prasad was elected as the captain of Junior Hockey World Cup? Odisha. Which is the only state in the country to have metro facility in 5 districts? At Uttar Pradesh. Extra question from Polity. Who has chaired the 29th meeting of Southern Zonal Council? Mr. Amit Shah. 18th November, Thursday. Which country has launched the world's first non-profit city? Saudi Arabia. Recently, the Army of India and which country is organizing a joint cycle rally? Bangladesh. The bilateral army exercise Ek Shakti has started between India and which country? France. The Institute of Defence Studies in New Delhi has been named after whom? Manohar Parrikar. Where has trade fair of Jollibee been inaugurated recently? At Uttarakhand. Extra question from GK. Which state's foundation day is celebrated on 15th November? Jharkhand. 19th November. Which country has 41st scientific expedition Antarctica? India. Who has been appointed by the United Nations Resident Coordinator in India recently? Shombi Sharp. Which state has approved Kaisar-e-Hind as state butterfly? At Arunachal Pradesh. Which country has topped the list of richest countries as World 2021? China. Who has taken back 3 agri-bills in India? PM Modi. Where was India's first food safety museum been opened? At Tanjore. Current affairs, 20th November, Saturday. Where had Prime Minister inaugurated the meeting of presiding officer? Shimla. Recently, the Centre has approved the new Raja Sainik board for which state? Ladakh. Who has topped the lowest global bribery risk list? Denmark. Where has Indian Railways inaugurated the first pod hotel? At Mumbai. Which bank has launched the 2nd edition of Move Ban Rako campaign? HDFC Bank. Extra question from GK. Which language film Kolangal has been selected screen at IFFI 2021? Tamil film. So, இந்த வீடியோ யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்தால் மறக்காமல் உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். நீங்கள் நம்ம சேனலுக்கு போய் சேர்ந்தால் மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்.